Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today we're talking all about shadi look, mine specifically. I'm dividing this into two sections. One is like more of like the planning and how I decided what I actually want. And then the second is like where I got it from, prices, experience with that person or shop, ya jo kuch bhi. And so I have it timestamped. If you want to listen to the whole thing, I mean, be my guest. We're going to be going through the bridal dress, my jewelry, makeup, henna, mehndi, and my nails, my shoes. So basically everything that went into my look that day. And something that applies to like all of these things in terms of like inspiration and deciding what I want was ek to Pinterest. I like the Pinterest like whole mood board situation, like creating those folders and stuff. Oh, I like that visual thing better. Instagram pe you find more like recent things, and what's really cool is that you can just go and look at like shadi photographers and उन्होंने अपने pages पे बहुत like recent डाला, so just gives you a better idea. I feel like Pinterest पे थोड़ी पुरानी चीज़ें होती हैं, Instagram is more like updated, so you just do a mix of both if you want to. This is what I did. अच्छा, ज़्यादा प्लानिंग जोड़ा और ज्वेलरी ने ही ली थी, बाकी थोड़ी ऑलरेडी मुझे आइडिया था कि मुझे चाहिए क्या. सो we're just going to get into like the buying experience, prices of everything. So for the first thing, my bridal dress, once I had decided exactly the sort of thing I want, I had like a bunch of different inspiration pictures. I went to Rashid Ayub, उनकी 2-3 branches हैं तारिक रोड पे ही, and I went to them. I showed Waqas bhai the joda, the inspiration, the idea that I have. He's the one जिन्होंने मुझे बताया अच्छा ये खड्डी नेट पे बनेगा, दुपट्टे की इस तरह उनके पास पड़े हुए थे, and they were like अच्छा ये दुपट्टा सर पे रख के देख लो, like इस तरह की इसकी फॉल आएगी, इस कपड़े के साथ ये अच्छा लगेगा and stuff. So क्योंकि उनके पास पड़े हुए होते हैं, so it's also a lot better to like go there and like just talk to them, like they know what they're doing. This is what they do, so sort of trust the person as well. He made like a sketch and everything, हर चीज़ उन्होंने कर दी थी, and I felt really happy. और मुझे उनसे बात करके लग रहा था कि अच्छा he's understood what I want for this. उनके पास ये भी ऑप्शन है that you just pick one of their designs that they already have. उनको आप थोड़ा सा चेंज करके अपना जोड़ा बना लें, and that is much more reasonable as well. I paid 140K for my जोड़ा, and with a portly as well. I placed my order in July and I got it back in November, and I wasn't even in Karachi in November, and I remember him texting like, oh, it's ready, like aake pick kar le, and I was like, oh, I'm not here, like can you send me a picture or a video, because I was like freaking out. I was like, oh my god, it's made, like that's the central point of your whole outfit. And I was like, okay, acha ye ban gaya, like can I see it? And he was like, no, can you can just come pick it up and stuff. And I was like, no, like let me see it, like why you're scaring me. And he's like, nahi tasveeron video mein log tension mein aa jate hain and stuff. I have texts from him where he's basically saying, as soon as I get the time, I'll show it to you. It's very pretty. I was like, please, dikha de mujhe. And he just kept talifying. He's like, inshallah, soon and stuff. And then I called him freaking out. I was like, please. And he's like, nahin, like, log freak out ho jate hain, pictures, videos dekh ke, asal mein aake dekhen. It's exactly what you want. It's exactly what you asked for. I was just freaking out, and I'm just like laying here, and I'm like, pata nahi kya ban gaya. But then my mommy went and picked it up, and like she video called me and stuff, and genuinely it was exactly what I asked for. It was what he said to me to give me tasalli, which I was like, oh, ye mujhe jhooti tasalli de rahe hain, was actually all true. It was exactly what I wanted. And I was just super happy with it. The only thing I changed was that I got the arms taken in, क्योंकि your girl lost a little weight for her शादी, and so loose हो गया था मुझे थोड़ा सा, तो I just got the arms taken in, but like that's the only thing that I changed. Jewelry के लिए मैंने online बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी थी. I knew I wanted an artificial set because I wanted something really भारी. There's no point of getting all of that in gold. Reuse तो करना नहीं, ऊपर से इतना महंगा भी पड़ता. Budget initially 50-60 रखा हुआ था for this, based on what I had seen online. मुझे था कि अच्छा मुझे एक दफ़ा जोड़ा मिल जाएगा, फिर मैं उसके बिल्कुल हिसाब से, because I wanted the gold to match and stuff. My mommy asked me to go to Tariq Road और उसमें Rabi Center, this big yellow building in Karachi, and I went there, and I think दूसरी या तीसरी दुकान थी, and I didn't know this up until like आखिर में जब receipt बन गई थी and they gave me my bill, but the place is actually called like Ajmi or Azmi Jewelers. So जो मेरा set था, it was actually like I think 2-3 different sets that they basically made, but they did it all in 10 days. And I asked them about the green wali cheese as well. उधर बैठ के मुझे पक्का पता चल गया था कि अच्छा I want those green stones. I also got my चूड़ियाँ from them. All of it was 21K. So मेरे budget से बहुत ज़्यादा कम था. I was really happy with how it came out. And 10 दिन बाद वो तैयार भी हो गया था. जब मैं उधर गई तो the green seemed a little light to me. Like I wanted a really dark green. It wasn't like that. तो उन्होंने उसी वक्त बैठ के I think आधा पौना घंटा लगा के उसको dark green कर दिया था, gave it back to me. So I was really happy with that as well. अच्छा, for my makeup, I also knew that I wanted to go all out, but I wanted red lips. मतलब I know that a lot of people like do nude lips and stuff, but I was like, nahi, like red joda, red lips, like bhari jewelry. I want the whole bridal look thingy. So I knew in general like अच्छा मुझे चाहिए क्या. When I was looking for makeup artists in Karachi, I was looking at reviews. Like instead of looking at the pictures initially, I was looking at the reviews and I was just sort of looking for people जिन्होंने ये बात की हुई थी that I felt really comfortable and I felt really good. Like I wanted to look like myself. और मुझे था कि instead of seeing कि अच्छा what does this person look like, because you're not gonna have the same face as anybody, right? You can't look at a picture and exactly imagine कि ये look आपके ऊपर कैसा लगेगा. And I came across Munazza, who also is a makeup artist at Amna Farhad Studio, and I booked her and it was the best decision. Like I feel like out of all of these things, something that could have gone really wrong was the makeup, and alhamdulillah, like it went so well. Like she was so good. और मतलब बात करते हुए आपको पता चल रहा होता है ना, like somebody just knows what they're doing. Once I decided that I wanted to go with her, then I stopped looking at like Pinterest and Instagram, and then I was just looking at her own page and her own work that she had done. And that is something I really recommend. If you're going to an artist, look at their work and what do they do. So when you're going and sitting in that chair and she's like, okay, what do you want? You show her pictures from her own work and be like, this is what you did, like iski aankhein or iska blush or cheese. Her hairstyling team is also amazing. It stayed literally all night, हिले बगैर it stayed. And also निकालने में इतना आसान था, like it took like 4 or 5 minutes, everything was out, like my hair was fine. I'm realizing now that I got super excited talking about the makeup and how amazing Munazza is that I forgot that this cost me 30k. Also, one thing that I loved is like with a lot of like makeup places, always a really trust the process sort of situation. The artist keeps telling you कि आखिर में सही लगेगा, आखिर में सही लगेगा. But with her, like every step of the way, it just looked really good. Another artist that I think I got really lucky with was my mehendi. I got it done from Henna by Sidra. Design on Demand actually is her Instagram. She's just an absolute dream to work with. एक तो वो सुबह I think 7:30-8 बजे आ गई थी and we were done in like 4-ish hours. मैं आधा वक्त सो रही थी. Honestly, like mashallah to her patience and level of skill she has कि एक सोते हुए बंदे पे उसने इतनी अच्छी मेहंदी लगाई. This was 15k. It was 7k advance and then 8k on the day of. And again, when you've booked your artist, you know that this is the person you want, तो फिर उनके पेज पे जाएं, उनका काम देखें. The thing with Sidra is though, like you show her any design, she can replicate it. Mashallah, she's really amazing. She's really good at what she does. For my shadi shoes, I knew that I wanted something that looked like bridal heels, and they did. And I think they were really pretty, but उनकी शायद quality इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी या क्या था, they broke. On the day of my shadi, which also the only time I've worn them, तो एक ही दिन में टूट. Alhamdulillah, they broke after my rukhsati, तो like event निकल गया, पूरा दिन निकल गया. Looking back, I think the only thing I would change were the shoes. मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला था just get something comfortable. जूता तो वैसे भी दिखना नहीं है, मगर मैंने नहीं सुनी थी. I just wanted something that looked really fancy. It was on sale and that's also I think what tempted me. I got them for 5,000 originally. I think ये 12,000 की हैं. The last thing were my nails. I got this like nude-ish sort of color. I didn't want like acrylic or anything, so I got gel polish done from Base Coat and Chill. And it was 3,000 for my manicure with gel polish, and they did a really good job. And I decided to get a nude sort of color because the thing with gel polish is it doesn't come off with nail polish remover. And so for my shadi day, मैंने उसके ऊपर red लगवा लिया था and वो completely cover हो गया था, and then वलीमे वाले दिन मैंने बस ऊपर से red nail polish remover से उतार लिया था. That is the complete breakdown of the whole shadi look. I spent around 220k. I know I wrote 200k in the title, but it just is more clickbaity that way. 220k also is not like, oh, like this was super cheap and super reasonable, but it was my shadi day, so I feel like, or at least this is what I tell myself, like it's okay. And so like let me know in the comments what you think. If you have more questions in terms of like planning, like are you getting married, is somebody around you getting married, because it's just happened, so it's all really fresh in my head. I know shadi season's coming up. Like last year around this time I was doing all the shopping and planning and yeah. Okay, bye.